we got the hiccups again. Haven't we, Mr. Jensen? Ready? Let's have a listen. Mm. Okay. We have got the hiccups one more time.